good viewers from YouTube and Facebook to kindly comment down your comment and your school. Thank you. With the following format. The format would be given name underscore your school or college. Again, the format would be your given name underscore your school or college. Thank you very much. We will start in a few. Hello po.
A pleasant morning, everyone, and hello sa ating lahat ng viewers. Again, hello everyone. I would like to ask the live viewers from YouTube and Facebook to kindly comment down your name and your school. Thank you.
And for our participants here in the Zoom meeting, we would like you to change your name with the following format. The following format would be your given name underscore your school or college. Again, the following format would be your given name underscore your school or college.
Okay, so everyone, please settle down. We will about to start. A pleasant morning again and hello sa ating lahat ng mga viewers.
Ayan, yes, hello sa ating participants. Hello kay Sir Lee. Hello po sa ating mga participants na nandito from different schools. So, before we officially start this event, allow us to introduce ourselves first. Of course, introduce na kami ng partner ko. Hello everyone, I am Kyla Tolentino, your host for today, and I'm with my partner.
And I am Jessica May Gatungay, your host for today as we begin the 4th episode of the TV show presented by Accounting Portal Philippines entitled All About Accounting.
Account Talks.
For this episode, napaka-interesting nito, partner. We will be tackling cryptocurrency.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Nung narinig ko pa lang yung topic na cryptocurrency yung i-host natin, sobrang na-excite na ako because we all know that it is a trend nowadays. So, partner, may idea naman ako kahit konti. Parang may idea ako kahit konti about cryptocurrency. Ikaw ba, partner? May idea ka ba about cryptocurrency? What is it all about ba, partner?
Ang alam ko, partner, cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency that only exists electronically. Kumbaga, partner, wala siyang physical token unless you use a service that allows you to exchange digital tokens to a physical one.
Grabe naman yun, partner. Yung narinig ko yung explanation mo, ang sabi mo, only exists electronically. Nakikita mo pero hindi mo nahahawakan. Napakasakit naman ng partner. Nananakit ka ba?
Ay, nako, partner, ha? Parang nire-relate mo na agad sa life mo yan.
Hindi naman, partner, pero kasi feeling ko madamit nakaka-relate. Pero joke lang. Just kidding. And naisip ko lang yun, partner, because to add up, cryptocurrency, sa pagkakaalam ko, cryptocurrency is an internet-based medium of exchange which uses cryptographic functions to conduct financial transactions. Tama ba yun, partner?
Tama ka dyan, partner. But before we delve deeper into the subject matter, we have prepared a mini activity to energize all of our viewers. So, Miss Kyla, do you know the drill ba?
Of course naman, Miss Jessica. And alam ko din na lahat ng mga nagsusubaybay sa ating Account Talk, alam na ata yung drill na to before tayo mag-start sa main event. So, para sa mga taong laging sumusubaybay sa ating talk show, for sure alam nyo na yung drill na to before natin gawin yung pinaka-main event natin, which is the talk show.
Yes, true, partner. Alam naman natin na bago dapat tayo sumabak sa ating pangmalakasang interview, dapat may energy muna tayo ang lahat. So, ano bang mini activity natin for today's episode, Miss Kai?
Ang balita ko, partner, for today's activity, we will be playing a game first. And yung title ng game na yun, balita ko, is Guess That Song. So, di ba, title pa lang, alam mo na ata kung anong gagawin. So, bagong-bago siya para sa akin. Wow. Bagong-bago siya. And feeling ko tayo pa lang ata gagawa nito, Miss Jessica. First time in the history ba to?
Ay, naku, partner, mukhang bagong-bago pa nga. Alam mo ba or may idea ka ba paano yan laruin?
Syempre naman, partner. So, eto na nga, guys. So, for the mechanics of this game, Guess That Song, we will be playing music videos of the song and huhulaan ng ating mga participants or ng audience kung ano nga ba yung title ng song na yon. Syempre, with its singer. Para sa ating mga live
Yes.
audiences sa ating Facebook and YouTube, you can type down your answers on the comment box down below. And while yung mga dito naman sa ating Zoom meeting, you can comment or you can chat your answers sa ating chat box sa right side ng screen ninyo. So, ready na ata sila, partner. Shall we start na ba yung game na to?
Yes, partner, excited na rin ako and I think ready na naman ang lahat. Can I see heart reactions para maging ready na ba ang lahat?
Ayan, patingin nga kami ng heart reaction sa Facebook. Partner, actually nga sa Facebook ako. Patingin nga ng mga heart reactions if ready na kayo. Kasi pag hindi pa kayo ready, baka di namin kayo start. Char.
Yes.
Joke lang. Joking aside. So,
Go,
ayan.
guys!
Partner, I think, ayan, nakikita ko na yung mga heart reactions sa Facebook Live natin. And I think, partner, ready na sila. So, ibigay na ba natin yung unang kanta natin?
Yes, go ahead. Play the first song, please.
Ayan. Patingin naman ng first song. Ano kaya yan? Let's wait. Ayan. Ano kayang song yan? Grabe, partner. Parang
Huh?
familiar.
Parang-
Oh, parang familiar sa akin yung scene na to. Ayan, tapos
Ay,
na
oo
ata.
nga.
Parang familiar sa akin yung scene na to. So, sa mga nakakaalam, alam nyo ba kung ano yung scene to? Anong song ba to? Ayan,
Sa
guys,
mga
if you're type to
nakakaalam,
answer.
yes, sa mga nakakaalam po, please comment down your answer. Yes, may
Ay,
mga nakikita na tayo dito, mga nagsasabi ng answers. Okay, so sa lahat, the answer is All Too Well by Taylor Swift.
Ayan. So, I guess, alam ng lahat ang All Too Well by Taylor Swift na recently niya lang
Yes,
ni-release. So, partner, mag-second round na ba tayo?
Yes, go ahead for the second song, please.
For our second song. Parang kilala ko to, partner.
Oh,
diba?
familiar partner. Alam mo yan?
Parang familiar siya.
Sa
Recently
mga
din lang din
nakakaalam,
siya.
yes,
Go,
sa
partner.
mga nakakaalam ng answer dyan, go ahead and please comment.
Please comment down your answers on our chat box. Ayan, partner, may nakita na ako answer. Si Miss Jolina
Yes.
Pasahol, ang sagot niya is Habang Buhay by Sak Tabuldo. Tama ba yun, partner?
Yes, tamang-tama partner. Yun po yung kanta ni Zach Tabudlo na Habang Buhay.
Ayan. So, for the correct answer would be Habang Buhay by Zach Tabuldo. So, for our next round, anong song kaya to, partner?
Alam mo partner, habang nakikita ko yung view, parang nami-miss ko na rin mag-beach. Alam mo yun?
Ako din, partner. So, sobrang tagal ng panahon. Ayan, tapos na, partner. Nakita natin. Sino ba to? Si Justin Bieber ba to? Ayan, may
Oo.
nagsagot na ata, partner. Ikaw na magbasa kung sino ba yung nagtawa ng
Okay.
sagot na to.
Okay. Miss Alexis from Counting, it is Pagsamo by Arthur Neri.
Partner, pagsama by Arthur Neri ba to? No! It's
Parang
Ghost.
nagkamali ata ako. Ghost pala, partner.
It's
Sorry.
Ghost by Justin Bieber. Oh, I'm so sorry. Kung sino man niya, I'm so sorry. Ghost siya by Justin Bieber. So, for their next round, ano nga ba yung next round natin? Ayan, partner. Familiar ka ba dito? Ano kaya to? Oh, di ba? Parang kilala ko
Wow.
to. Parang recently lang din niya nilabas ito.
Kaya
Ano
nga.
ba
Oh,
'to? Sino
go
ba
ahead,
'to?
partner. Sinong nakakaalam ng song? Please comment down in the box so that we can recognize.
Tama. You can comment down your answers now. So, ano ba sa tingin nyo kung ano nga ba yung title ng song na iyan? And of course, with the singer. Dapat lagi may singer. Ayan. Sino, Mr. Rigo? Sino ang singer?
Okay. So, Miss Partner, please say ahead and go the answer, please.
So, ang answer ni Mr. Rigo Reyes is Easy on Me by Adele. So, tama. The answer would be Easy on Me by Adele. So, for our next
Yeah.
round,
Oh.
for our next round, ayan, partner. Oh, 'di ba? Ayan. Sino nga ba? Ano nga bang kanta yan? Sino din ba ang kumanta niyan? Ayan, may nakasagot
Yes.
na partner. Ang bilis naman. Fan ka ba? So, from
Mukhang
Miss Michelle ng ICCT Colleges, ang sagot niya is My Universe by BTS. Tama ba yon?
yes,
Tama,
partner. Very
Oo.
famous po yan ngayon. Yung song na yan.
Ayan. So, tama-tama. My Universe by BTS. So, for our next round, meron pa ba? For sure, meron pa yan. O, di ba?
Uy,
Ang grabe,
partner,
ang
kilala
bilis.
ko to. Alam ko yung story nito. Ikaw, alam mo ba?
Napanood ko na siya. Familiar din ako, partner. So, partner, ikaw na sabi kung sino nga ba nakatama dyan. Ayan.
Sana ba?
Ayan, may mga nagsagot na partner, ako na magbabasa para sa'yo.
Sige, please,
So,
partner.
ang sagot
Thank you.
ni Mr. Rigo Reyes, ang sagot niya is Ikaw Lang by Nobita. Tama ba yon?
Yes,
The correct
partner.
answer would be Ikaw Lang by Nobita. Congratulations! So, for the next one, ano ba to? Parang kilala ko din to. Parang isa siya sa mga rising stars ng ating
Yes,
generation
partner.
ng ating generation actually. So sa mga nakakaalam, please comment or chat your answers on your chat box. Ayan, may nakasagot na. Ang sagot si Sir Rigo na naman, si Mr. Rigo.
Grabe, ang active ni Sir Rigo, ah.
Parang
Sir
alam
Rigo,
na alam niya
mukhang-
lahat.
Yes, music fanatic ata itong si Sir Rigo, eh.
Tama. So ang correct answer is Deja Vu by Olivia Rodrigo. Congratulations!
Yes.
And for our next one,
Meron pa ba, partner?
ayan partner, meron
Ay,
pa.
meron
Hindi tayo
pa.
naubusan. Ayan, parang
Unlimited.
yes, para unlimited chance of winning. Ayan, sino ba yan? Alam kaya nila kung sino yan? So, sa mga nakakaalam ng sagot, you can comment down your answers or you can type it on the chat box on the right side of
Yes.
your screen. Ayan, may nakasagot na partner.
Wow. Sino tong from Miss Natalie Grace? I'm so sorry, nawawala. Where is
Okay,
it?
si Miss Natalie Grace, ang sagot
Yes.
niya is happier than ever.
Than
Tama ba
ever.
yun? The correct answer would be Happier Than
Happier-
Ever by Billie Eilish. So, may next pa ba tayo? May next pa ba tayo, guys? Gusto nyo pa ba? Ayan, wala na tayong next. So, I guess that would be the end of our game segment for today.
Yes, partner. So, now, once again, thank you for participating in our mini activity for today. Did you enjoy that?
Ano yung isa?
Hello? Ayan, partner. Ano yung tanong mo ulit, partner? Hindi ko narinig.
Sabi ko, nag-enjoy ka din ba, partner?
Of course naman, partner. Nag-enjoy din ako kahit hindi ako yung nakapag-dance. Kasi familiar ako dun sa mga iba na music video. So, na-enjoy ko naman siya. Ikaw ba, partner, na-enjoy mo ba yun?
Oo, na-enjoy ko. Feeling ko into Western musics na din ako kasi K-pop fanatic ako eh. So, mas familiar ako sa K-pop songs rather than sa Western songs. Pero it's okay. I enjoy it also. So, shall we start na ba, partner?
Yes naman, partner. And I think mukhang handang-handa na sila. Ang active na nila sa Facebook eh. So, shall we begin this event for today? Partner,
Yes.
you may take the lead.
Yes, partner. And now, to give us a comprehensive understanding about cryptocurrency, please allow me to introduce our speaker for today's episode. He is a seasoned management executive in finance with over 18 years experience working with international institutes throughout Asia in a broad range of functions, such as credit analysis, corporate finance, investment banking, corporate planning, and investor relations, to name a few. He also worked in an international trade inspections or logistics industry for 13 years. But for the last 4 years, he has focused on being an investor, advocate, and an educator in the field of cryptocurrency investing. His advocacies is to help in educating people to have a basic and deeper understanding on how cryptocurrency could potentially change people's lives. He is the co-founder of Musaigan Training Academy Incorporated, whose aim is to teach people how they can participate and profit from growing cryptocurrency market.
Grabe naman yung credentials doon, partner. Parang nakaka-excite naman para din sa
Yes,
ating mga
partner.
viewers and participants natin here in the Zoom. So, without further ado, let us all welcome and give a virtual round of applause to Mr. Fermin Barinichia III. Hello, sir!
Hi, good
Okay,
morning, and thank you for the very nice introduction, Jessica May and Kyla. And I'm glad to
Yes.
see that there are a lot of young people on the call because that's really what we need. We need the youth to start getting engaged in cryptocurrency simply because that will fuel the next wave of adoption.
Yes, sir. So, welcome again, sir. But before we proceed, I would like to know po, how are you?
I'm doing well, and I hope everybody on this call is doing well as well.
Yes, sir. I'm actually doing well also. And I'm glad to hear that you're also doing well, even if in the middle of this pandemic. You all know that it was hard for each and every one of us. And knowing that you're good and you're well today is a great news. And of course, it's a great thing to hear from you, sir. So, shall we start na po ba ng event, sir? So we can share the knowledge and information sa ating mga participants and viewers, of course, sa live, sa Facebook
ahead.
Live po.
Go ahead, take it away. I know you have a whole list of questions that you'd like to ask.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So we have here listed a few questions from our audiences as well. What is currency? Cryptocurrency, I mean, is it legal po?
Okay, let's take that in two stages. The first is the cryptocurrency, as you mentioned, it is digital. So it should be like kunyari, GCash, di ba? That's digital cash. The difference with cryptocurrency is that it is secured by what they call cryptography. And what that basically means is it makes it almost impossible to hack. I say impossible, almost impossible, because until it's done, you cannot say it cannot be done. Diba? So
Yes, sir.
cryptography is what keeps it secure. Now, to your next question, is it legal? There is a central bank circular 944. So I repeat, Central Bank Circular 944 issued February 2017. That is basically the circular that governs the institutions which are operating in the cryptocurrency space. So if you mean by legal, can you use it to pay for products? Yes, you can, but not yet with the banks. So let's say there are services, there are companies that actually will accept cryptocurrency as payment. I'll give you trivia. There is this surfing school, for example, in La Union, which will teach you how to surf, and they will accept Bitcoin as payment. But
Oh, yes, sir.
among the banks are still, I would say, wait and see until the central bank comes up with a definitive position on cryptocurrencies for the banks. But for end users, walang issue. That's the reason behind the circular. I would expect some of your viewers are familiar with applications like coins.ph.
Yes, sir.
Yes po, sir.
And so coins.ph, for example, was one of the first virtual currency exchange operators approved in the Philippines. So isa yan sa mga nasasakop dyan under CB Circular 944. There are about 13 at the moment, including PDAX, BloomX. There are a whole host of others. So yan ang mga sinusubaybayan, kumbaga, ng central bank.
So, according to what Sir Fermin said, I think it is legal since nagagamit na nga siya. Katulad ng binigay na example ni Sir sa La Union, sa surfing, and nagiging type of exchange na siya. And I think that is legal already. So, sa mga viewers na curious kung legal ba siya or what, it is legal po para sa kaalaman ng lahat. So, Sir, nagtataka din po kami. Di ba po, Sir, meron naman tayo stocks. May stocks po tayo and that's also a form of trading. Sa tingin niyo po ba, Sir, ano po bang difference between stocks and cryptocurrency?
Okay. The main difference is volatility. Now, in the